to this tutorial on how to invert integers in the C programming language. So we have an integer. We need to split it into its components, the 3, the 2, and the 1, clearly as I demonstrated, and then build or construct the number, the inverse, from these digits by making the 3 a 300, the 2 20, the 1, and then adding them, making 320. And to split this number, we're gonna need the remainder. So when, for example, we say 321 remainder or modulus 10 means that if we divide the number by 10, we'll get 12 and a remainder of 3. So it will always give us the last digit to the right, which is 3. And we're gonna need the division operator, which when we get the 3, we will no longer need the 3 here. So we can just get rid of it by dividing the number by 10. And because this is integer division, we would not get the 0.3, we would just get a 12. We will have a loop that will continue doing this, getting the last digit and then getting rid of it until our number is reduced to 0. So this is what will happen, for example, for the 1 to 3. Then we will be constructing inside the inverse slot, we will be constructing our number from the 3, then the 2, and the 1. So first, to write a program, we will need to reserve the variables for the number and a place to hold the digit, the final digit, and the place to construct the inverse number. We will initiate it to 0 from 0 because we will be adding the values to the inverse, so we will need it to start from 0. Then now we will scan the number we want, because we won't necessarily just invert the 1 to 3. We will scan any number we want. This is just to print enter a number and then scan the number and save it inside the number variable. Here we started our while loop, and it's gonna run while the number is more than 0. Inside the while loop, we're gonna get a digit, which is first gonna be 3, then 2, then 1, and we will add it to the inverse and multiply it by 10. So first we'll get a 30, then we will get rid of the 3, so we'll have a 12. In the next loop, we will have a 2. We will add the 2 to the 30, and we will get 32. And then it will multiply it by 10. Then in the last loop, we will have 1. We will get a 1. We will add it. It will multiply, and we will get a 0 and leave this while loop. But we have a problem. Our number is multiplied by an extra 10. So we'll fix that simply by dividing it by 10, and here we have our inverse or inverted number. We can print it to the screen. Here, 1 to 3 is inverted, and we can choose a random number, and it will be inverted. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful.